Okay, it's day 10. Let's open 10. And yes, I have the same clothes that I had yesterday. In the yesterday's video is because I filmed this the same day. Number 10. It is the LH Cosmetics, day 10. We have a card and we have a high shine lip gloss with a juicy and glazed point. I don't know, I don't have this. I actually don't have this from LH Cosmetics. I have plenty of products. Oh, I don't have this. I'm definitely keeping this one. Look how beautiful it is. Definitely keeping this one. And what do we have here? The most wonderful time of the year must include yet another surprise. So we'll see. There is a code, so I'll see what that is. Keeping. Like it. Beautiful color. And then we have the Caia Cosmetics. Is something heavy. Maybe setting spray or maybe a cleansing product. Maybe something from their skincare. Actually, I haven't tried anything except that I tried one of the masks that I got in earlier calendar. Love it. Yes, it's skincare. And this is step 1, heat protection. No, it's not skincare. It's hair product. Oh, I'm so happy. Heat protection. I really need one of these. I'm almost out of mine heat protector, and I was thinking of buying another one. I always forgot. Or I forget. Oh, I'm definitely keeping one. This is definitely a nice product. Definitely keeping, because I'm giving some of them away. Yeah, that was day 10. See you tomorrow.